I want to teach you how to go beyond the cut, copy, paste tools like ChatGPT in your real estate business for free. No course to buy, no credit card required. Just show up and I'll teach you everything you actually need to know. Now, I've been building real estate technology for the last 36 years, and I've helped tens of thousands of real estate agents build successful businesses. Now, with AI, the stakes couldn't be higher. And I genuinely believe that the biggest thing standing between most agents using AI and integrating it into their business isn't more prompts or tools, it's systems. This Friday, I'm running a completely free AI tools and automations event, focused entirely on giving you everything you need to fully apply AI into your real estate business. By the end of it, my goal is simple. I want you to walk away with your first AI system in place. When you do, I'll also show you how to repeat that system across your entire business, moving beyond those cut, copy, paste days and finally seeing the promise of AI freeing up your time in your life. Now, the AI Tools and Automations event is completely free. It starts this Friday, so click below and register before the deadline.